Hello. Today we are going to install a program called Intune Company Portal that your organization may be using to configure policies to enable you to securely access that company data. Installing this application may be required in order for you to access your company email and other data. This demo today is being done on an Android phone, but the steps are basically the same for an iPhone. So the first thing you will do is go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store if you're on an iPhone, and search for Intune Company Portal, and then click the Install button. And wait for it to install. Then you can open the application. And once it opens, I'm going to not allow notifications for now. If you want notifications, you can certainly turn them on. Then you will sign in. And here you will put in your email and password. So now that you have Company Portal downloaded, we're going to install it on the phone to get your profile going. First thing you can do is hit begin at the bottom of the screen. This next page just shows you what your company has access to and what they don't. Most of your personal stuff, I should say all your personal stuff, they don't have access to. The stuff they do have access to is your model number, serial number, work applications, device information. So you can go ahead and hit continue here, and it should set up your work profile. And you'll get to the next page that you're going to agree. And you can see that it's showing that your work and personal stuff will be kept separate. And right now it is just running through the process of setting up the work profile. And you can click next here. The next step now is to create your work profile. You can go ahead and click continue, and you will see it says registering device. This usually takes a couple of minutes, up to about 5 minutes, because it's contacting the server on the back end. You'll see a progress bar. And eventually, you will get to the end where it shows you some green check marks. You'll see create work profile, update device settings, and eventually the last device registration will go green, and you will see the Company Portal application on your phone and signed in. Step now will be to install any applications you want. You can do this one of two ways. You can go through the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple Store for iPhone and just search for Microsoft Outlook if that's the application you want, and download it there. You also have the option, if your company configured it, to go through Company Portal, which I have open here on the screen. Hit the three dots. I'll show you. Let me scroll this back. The 3 dots or hamburger in the top left. Get apps, and then you'll see the apps come up. And you can either search this or you can just scroll down and find Microsoft Outlook. Which place you get to Outlook, you will go ahead and install. And you can open it. And once you open it, mine is probably already configured because I've been using it on this phone. Actually, okay, so it's coming up a little separate since I just re-registered it. You can add your account here. And then again, sign in with your company email. As such. Continue. And then it's going to authenticate. I'll say maybe later for another account. Now it's just going to sync my settings.